Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop GTA 5 from auto-updating on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the Library tab there. Go ahead and click on it to view all your installed games and applications. Now, I need to mention that I don't actually have GTA 5 in my library list at the moment, but I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. So let's pretend that I have GTA 5 installed, or that I'm using GTA 5 for demonstration purposes. Once you're in your library, locate GTA 5 in your games list. When you find it, right-click on the game title. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open up a new window dedicated to the game's settings and configuration options. In the Properties window, look at the left sidebar. You'll see various categories listed there. Click on the Update section. This is where Steam controls how and when your games receive updates, and it's exactly what we need to access to stop those automatic downloads. Under the Automatic Update section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to reveal your update options. From the list that appears, select Wait until I launch the game. This is the key setting that changes everything. By choosing this option, you're telling Steam not to automatically update GTA 5 in the background whenever a new patch becomes available. Instead, the update will only be downloaded when you actually try to launch the game and an update is required. This gives you full control over when updates happen, which is especially useful if you're managing your bandwidth or simply don't want unexpected downloads eating up your internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to stop auto-updating GTA 5, giving you complete control over when the game updates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.